Hello everyone, welcome to database tutorial. So in today's video we will see how to create a pyramid chart. In the screen here I have depicted sales for all the subcategories in the shape of a pyramid. So I am able to see that the highest sales is done by phone subcategory, followed by chairs, and the least sales is done by fasteners and labels. For the pyramid chart, first we need to create a bar chart. So for that I need my subcategory. I will drag my subcategory to rows, and I want sales for all the subcategories, so to columns. So here I have got a horizontal bar chart with the sales for all the subcategories. Now what I will do, I will copy this field again. I can just drag the field from the data pane again, or I can just control and drag it aside to the previous field. So I will again get my sales field. Now in the 2 axis I have my sum fields duplicated. So now what I can do, in the first field of sales I will click on edit axis here, and in the edit axis I will click on reversed. So this axis of my first field will be reversed, and I don't want to reverse the axis of my second field. So this will be coming in the shape of pyramid. We just need to do some formatting here. So I will click on entire view here first of all, and then I will sort it in ascending order. Then in the all card I will go to all card. So here I can see 3 cards are there. One is for first sales field, second is for second sales field, and one is for all, that is combined for both the fields. So I will go to all here, and I will increase the size little bit so that I can get a visual of a pyramid here, and I will hide the axis. Now I will hide the title also here. So in this I can see my column divider is there. So for that I will go to format option, and here I will go to borders. In the borders, under the columns, and in the columns I will go to column divider, and in my column divider I will click on none in the pane. So my column divider will be removed now, and I want the pyramid color as per the sales from lowest to highest. So for that I will drag my sales category into color, and I will get my color from lowest value to highest value, from lower shade to darker shade. And I want to add the labels also both the sides. So in the all card only I will drag my sales field into labels. So I will get all the labels here. I will go to my formatting here, and I will decrease its size to 7, and I will take gray shade here. So my labels are ready, and I will do the formatting of this subcategory field also. I will go to format. Under the shading I will go to row header shading, and I will click on gray color here, and in the text I will go to row header text, and I will select white color for the text. So like this I can simply create a pyramid chart. Pyramid chart can be used to compare different categories. If you want to showcase a hierarchical data also, that also we can showcase with the help of a pyramid. It is a visually appealing chart, and with this we can easily showcase that which value, which category is the highest standing, which category is the lowest standing. So I hope you like this video. If you have any queries, you can simply ask in the comment section. And for more such videos, don't forget to subscribe the channel. Now we will meet in our next video. Till then, take care and happy learning.